still have 1.1 seconds remaining. Oh! Ties the ball game!
This is the Pinoy Liga Cup, the big dance.
The Guangming College Flying Dragons will battle against the San Pablo Ravens. Coach Chris King de la Cruz po, together with Justin Almeida.
Yes, we have Guangming College, who is number 10 here in the big dance, and San Pablo College at number 22.
This is a big development for my program, for my team. We've been in NCAA South, we've been playing in the UCCL, we've won all those tournaments, we've been in National Prisa recently, but big dance is a different breed. Teams here are more tougher, and I want my boys to compete.
Outside shot is no good. 3 minutes, 18 seconds to go. And what a fast break. And that is first quarter. Kyle Pardo zigzagging. Strip. Kurt Pareñas baseline drive is good to break the tie.
In that first quarter, as they are only up 2 points here.
Parang ano yan, first date yan eh. As we see here, Yodge Glorioso. One shot ni Yodge Glorioso. Parang first date yan, no? Feeling out process. Hindi mo na nag-uusap-usap. Kumbaga sa boxing, pa-jump-jump lang in each other.
Yes, and just like the game earlier, no, that would be a perfect example. Because definitely, Perpetual Help of Binyan was the louder team. And finally, they came up with that upset against the number 8 seed CEU Scorpion.
Joshua Hamias on the other hand for Guangming scoring on that coast-to-coast layup. And a 3-point.
Coach, looking at the current lineup on the floor, no, I think Guangming College should find ways to get Stephen Ehevem open down below.
He can get closer to the basket and get those shots.
Yes, if they can get Ehevem deep down in the basket, wala nang makaka-challenge sa team ng San Pablo with his length, and he can easily go up for
that strong drive to the hoop. 3-point shot. Mel Pecolera, no go. Hamias tries his hand again from outside, no go. Pecolera gives it to Ehevem for that slammer. Jammer.
Ayun na nga.
Retaining possession for Guangming as Stephen Ehevem gives it to Samson. High-octane offense, but San Pablo was there. Still it. Oh, kinapos dun si John Landig. Hamias will go all the way. Hamias scoring on that fast break layup to regain the lead for Guangming. 4 minutes, 39 seconds remaining. Hamias gives it to Ehevem all the way. Ala ko, he will stop it.
It's also been them realizing the mismatch that they have with Stephen Ehevem inside.
Take advantage ng Guangming yung height advantage nila with Stephen Ehevem and Akinyente inside.
Definitely they did that in the last 5 minutes. And right away, you know, after realizing their height advantage, they come up with this 5-point lead, which is now 5-point lead. And
they retain possession for San Pablo Ravens again. Hustle for that offensive rebound. Second chance opportunity. Palma gives it to John Natividad. 3-point shot is good for the big man. Their stint in the Pulwang Cup in Taiwan. They're not unaware and lagi except on that possession with Jo Marie Pecolera of a steal. Scoring to break the scoring here. Here comes the defense of Guangming. Kurt Pareñas. He's bothered by 2 black shirts. 28. Pareñas. Pecolera. Good first step. And 6 points to start of the second half. Allowing Jo Marie Pecolera to score at will. Pareñas Lactaw-Taw. And the long 2 is good for Kurt Lactaw-Taw. 8 straight points in the last 3 minutes here for Guangming. And 3-point shot again by Wang Ming 37 to 31. 6 minutes and change remaining here in the third quarter. Still by Justin Tan. Turnaround is good. Yes, against Justin Tan. Gives it to Bert Pareñas. 10 seconds to operate for Wang Ming. Naktaw-taw! Circus shot is good. What a hit. Landig. Madlambayan slices through the defense and reverse layup is good.
Finally. Coach, parang natawa ako sa itsura ni John Natividad eh. When he found out Steven Ehebem was in foul trouble, parang napahinga siya na
Say no way. Speaking of comeback, ano po ang comeback boys? Coach Christian De La Cruz and Justin Almeida. And off the glass there, Kim Maligaya to tie this ball game up with 1 minute 13 seconds remaining for San Pablo Ravens. 42 apiece. Pecolera, 3-point shot is good. 1 minute remaining here in the third. How will San Pablo respond? Madlambayan being bothered by the defensive specialist Pecolera.
bothering number 2, Jens Madlambayan.
And a 4-point play opportunity by Yods Glorioso, sinking that corner 3, his third of this game.
That is a big shot para kay Yods Glorioso. Good.
Gives it to Samson, but quick hands for San Pablo. And let's see if that basket will count. Let's see. And that basket will count for San Pablo Ravens to end the third quarter strong. Have the 5-point lead entering the final canto, 50 to 45 against the Guangming College. Pass by here in the fourth quarter. Madlambayan, 3 for a 3. Money! His second of this game.
And actually, Coach, mukhang maganda nga na maaga dumating yung San Pablo Ravens kanina. What they did was the exact same thing that San Pablo needs to do in order to get the upset. Yan naman. And dito nga sa fourth quarter, pinapakita nila na gising na sila. And they are showing what San Pablo Ravens basketball is about.
Ehebem, on the other hand, with a hoop in the arm. Yun! Good screen there by Johnny Pivedad. Only missing that shot from Macaraya, rather, in Maligaya. And Kurt Naktaw-taw answers up to the task. Do they have the mental toughness to close out this ball game against Wang Ming? Ehebem downstairs, turnaround shot, and it's good. Seems not giving up here as they seize back the lead 59 to 58. 4 minutes 53 seconds remaining. Ehebem from the mid-range, draining that mid-range shot. Pecolera. Sit to Ehebem, hands it back to Pecolera. Ehebem provides the shield. Pecolera has plans. Pecolera gives it to Ehebem. Fade away is good.
Napakitaan tayo.
By the defense of Big Steven Ehebem. Hamias will go, run out of space, but Landig was there. Macaraya thinking 3, driving. Landig for 3. Too strong. 2 minutes 56 seconds remaining. Wang Ming by a hairline, 62-61. Kylie Pardo gives it to Hamias. And Kurt Naktaw-taw, the man of the hour. Session ball game. 63, 4-point lead as we approach the twilight zone. Reverse layup there by John Walcapon. Nice find.
Oh, and a steal by Landig. And the game is tied.
What a shot there. What a defensive lapse by Kurt Pareñas against Madlambayan. Switch. Pecolera. No go. Rebound by San Pablo, but Kurt Pareñas was there and drains the shot to give Guangming again the lead with 17.3 seconds remaining. 69-68. Guangming. Kurt Pareñas having the presence of Mayan against Kurt Naktautau. 10 seconds to shoot, 2-point differential. 3-point shot, no go. And Hamias secures the ball for Guangming, and he will be fouled. Oh, still. And Coach Francis Natividad will call his last timeout for this ball game. The two college Ravens. Here we go. Macaraya, Natividad. Oh! Natividad ties the ball game, eluding the defense underneath by Guangming. Still have 1.1 seconds remaining.
We still have 1 second left.
Pecolera. Ihebem, no go, and we will head into overtime. What a sequence here in the last 3 seconds of our ball game when it seems all lost for San Pablo Ravens. We're back in action as Jean-Marie Pecolera drawing first blood here in overtime. Giving Guangming the lead. And John Natividad again! Slicing through the middle. And yun na nga.
Catching him as he drove in and found John Natividad open and getting the end one basket.
Ihebem picks up the leather. Hamias extra pass. Kurt Pareñas. Elbow three won't go. Again, Macaraya losing the handle. 3-on-1 break. Ihebem against Natividad. And Ihebem will score. Balik ang kalamangan ngayon sa Guangming 74-73 with 3 minutes 42 seconds remaining in overtime. Lambayan gives it to Natividad against Steven Ihebem, the man of the hour for San Pablo. Lambayan, mid-range, and that's cash. First free throw, still the lead is up, and now we are all tied again at 75 apiece. Lambayan, waiting for the troops, gives it to Macaraya. Macaraya against Hamias, Natividad, providing a shield. Guangming securing the ball. Pecolera looking at the clock. 2 minutes 48 seconds remaining. Overtime. 75 apiece. Hamias. Oh! Hamias draining the three-point shot from the top of the overtime. Last 2 minutes. Steven Ihebem providing the shield for Pecolera. Pecolera has plans. Gives it up top to Ihebem to make it a 5-point lead for Guangming. Remaining here. Extra period. Pecolera drives past his defender, but Ihebem was there. No go. Strong drive to the hoop by John Landig. Grimacing in pain there. More or less trim the lead down of Guangming, which stands now. I hope that it is not serious, as also Coach Paul Ramos, as a sign of sportsmanship. Coach of Guangming approaching para San Pablo Ravens. 3-point. Ihebem gives it to Pecolera against Madlang Bayan. 1 minute and change remaining. Ihebem against Jan Natividad. Looking for a friend. The ball was poked. Hamyas tries through but loses the handle. And shot was off. Yung paglipat sa offhand.
Sorry, miss para kay Paul Caponpon.
Paul Caponpon muffing that left-handed layup. 34 seconds remaining. Hamyas to seal the deal. No go. Jan Natividad, 23 seconds remaining. 3 puntos ang hawak-hawak ng Guangming. Caponpon against Lactaw-Taw. Natividad, 14 seconds. Natividad, 3-point shot is short. And that could be both teams in the penalty. Ihebem. And Hamyas would seal the deal for Guangming. And Guangming, after an extra period, they will advance to the round of 16, the Sweet 16.
Intensity ng game, the way I execute both ends of the floor, both teams, talagang wala akong masay. This is talaga yung pinaka-L ng tournament talaga na hinahanap natin. Experience-wise, they're not yet there. Hopefully, with this kind of tournament kagaya nito, they will get used to it. Para sa team ko, I hope my boys learn from this tournament. Also, to those who are in province na rooting for us, I want to thank them for always supporting San Pablo Colleges.